Hi everyone, Chef Mark at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I'm here with a Bosch dishwasher and I'm going to review their exciting new drying technology. It's known as Crystal Dry. Now earlier in the year I was in Las Vegas at the IBS International Business Show and I got to meet the product expert who went over how this works. It's a really exciting technology. So I want you to stay tuned and let's check out how Crystal Dry works its magic.
I'd love to learn a little bit more about this. Hey, how are you doing? Richard?
Yes, Richard.
Hi, I'm
nice
Mark.
to meet you.
Yeah, say hi to Denver.
Hi Denver.
Yes, so we're going to learn about dishwashers now?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, and I love dishwashers because I don't actually like washing dishes, but I like when the machine does it. And of course, everybody knows how wonderful Bosch dishwashers are, the stainless steel interiors, and just their reputation for being the best in the business. So, talk about some of the new innovations and what makes you guys, have such a great reputation.
You know what? I want to show you right now our new drying innovation.
Okay,
so we're
cool.
bringing 2 new drying innovations to the line this year. First of all, we have Auto Air, which is our new pop-open technology in our 500 series dishwasher.
Okay.
So what that does is it basically pops that door open at the end of the cycle, lets that warm, humid air go out, and cold air come in. And when the cold air reacts with the moisture, it enhances the drying on that dishwasher. So you're going to get better drying on plastics, on bowls, plates, and no spotting on glassware. So that's on our 500 series, and really what that does is it mimics the consumer behavior that people are already doing.
We're just popping
So a lot of the
door.
time, people at the end of that cycle, they're cracking the door open to get that air to come in, and that's what we're going to do. And we're going to automate that piece of the process and just push that door open at the end of the cycle and let that air out and improve that drying. And then I really want to show you. I'm going to demonstrate to you now our new Crystal Dry technology, which we have here, which is super exciting. So I'm going to bring you guys over here and show you exactly what's going on. So this here is the mineral that forms the basis of our Crystal Dry technology. So this is very exciting. It's going to be in our 800 series and benchmark dishwashers. This here, if you want to come over here, is the system that we use within the dishwasher. This is where the mineral is housed beneath the base of the dishwasher. And basically what this mineral does is it absorbs moisture and then transforms that moisture into heat. And I really want to demonstrate that to you now. It's a very visual demonstration. So I'm just going to place this in here. And I'm going to pour some water on top of this, and you're going to see the reaction that this has here. So if you want to just place your hand out, I'm going to place that in there. I'm going to put it on here.
Whoa. Whoa.
So you can see straight away the heat is coming up. You see the condensation forming around the glass and the steam coming up. And if you put your hand over there, you'll feel the heat.
It's amazing how warm this got, and I could feel it just kind of sizzling in my hand and like almost immediately started to react. Look at that.
So this mineral actually is placed in a chamber in the dishwasher, and so we use the moisture that is at the end of the wash cycle, and we draw that in using this system right here. So we draw that in through the inlet right here. It goes into here, and this is a fan which blows the moisture into this chamber. There's about 1 kilogram of the mineral that sits in here, and when the moisture hits that mineral, it reacts just like it did here, and we generate heat, and that dry heat is then pushed out through this vent into the chamber of the dishwasher. And we get up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit with that, so we're able to dry plastics very well. We're able to have no spotting on glassware, and dishes and bowls get absolutely bone dry.
Is this lifetime for the dishwasher?
It is lifetime for the dishwasher. That's one of the best things about it. You don't have to recharge it or replace it. It actually recharges itself during the next washing cycle. So this little heating element right here heats those beads up during the next wash cycle and dries them out, and they're ready to go immediately during the next cycle. So there's no lag in terms of efficiency or anything like that.
And this is very efficient because you're creating heat through a chemical process.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and this is still warm. I mean, I'm holding this glass. It's almost too hot to touch, just from that small amount of water. So, water vapor pulling through, fan creating heat, and it's just a closed-loop system, huh?
Yeah, it's a closed-loop system. As you mentioned, there's no energy going into heating a coil or an element in the base of the dishwasher, so it's an energy-efficient process. The heat is generated by a natural reaction with the mineral and the moisture, so it's very good from that perspective.
And then this heater to warm this stuff up is tiny. I mean,
it's tiny, and it uses a fraction of the energy that you would use to actually heat an element to dry dishes.
Right,
so
right.
It's very energy efficient.
So even more energy efficient.
Yep, absolutely.
Even more energy than already. This is new for 2019.
This is new for 2019. Yeah, we're going to bring this in the third quarter of this year, August. It's going to be available on Bosch dishwashers on 800 series and benchmark.
800 benchmark.
Yep.
Okay. So your the 500 series will use more of a traditional style dryer. which is also very effective with the pop open door.
Pop open door.
Got it. And this door will stay shut to take advantage of this moisture.
Absolutely. So we keep that heat inside the dishwasher to make sure that we get the maximum drying possible.
Gotcha. So there's a lot of technology, more science, guys. We talked about this with refrigeration. So this is very, very neat. Wow. I'm glad we stopped by and got to learn about this, because you think of dishwasher, hot water, soap, close the door, you don't think about it. You don't need to think about it, but it's neat to know what technology and how much science and thought goes into these new products. This is great.
And this technology here is unique to us. It's patented for BSH, and it's very, very innovative. It's using something that's not been seen in the industry before.
Yeah.